Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car and you update summer update in your Tesla car, no matter which model you are using, Tesla are introducing everyone Grok AI absolutely free. So you can talk directly Grok and Grok can help you of anything. No need to connect the internet as we receive in map in the Tesla car free of cost. Same things we are using Grok free of cost and anywhere in the world. It's really impressive features. How to deal with, where is available, how to activate in your Tesla car. Let's start demonstration inside the car. Hey Grok, get this here. Can you please open Apple Music and play latest Shakira song? Shakira song.
Apple Music is open and playing Waka Waka by Shakira.
It's very easy. Hey Grok, can you please set a Google map to nearest charging station, supercharging station? Boom.
Navigating to the nearest supercharger in Rodovra now, 5 minutes away.
And can you help me out? How many features available Grok in Tesla car, and the Grok is a free or chargeable?
Grok is currently in beta with features like hands-free navigation, music search and playback, climate control, phone calls, glove box access, reminders, and answering Tesla questions. It's free to enable on your car, but requires premium connectivity or Wi-Fi to use, with usage limits unless you sign in with a Grok or X Premium account.
So these are the features available on Grok. If you click here in the gear button, so here option is showing, say, hey Grok to launch. Grok is launch, enable NFFW, kids mode, and share your particular location. Here some of the voices are available. So this is the different voice. Yes, tell me yourself.
Yes, this is the different voice.
This is the different voice. Tell me yourself.
I'm Leo.
Who are you?
I'm Grok, your helpful AI assistant. Call me Rex if you like. What can I do for you?
Who are you?
I'm Grok, your helpful AI assistant. What can I do for you?
But I personally like this female voice, Ara.
I'm glad you like it. What can I help you with today?
And here especially assistant is also available here, like the language tutorial, language tutor, therapist, storytelling, kids store time, kids arrive, games, meditation, Grok doc. So many features introducing in Grok absolutely free of cost, and this is the very easy way to access Grok in your Tesla car. If it is not, you can press this button in your steering wheel, and afterwards I just simply say here bye bye. And if you press here the steering wheel button, still Grok is open. Previously different assistant is open, but now Grok is available for here to helping you. Can you please YouTube application?
YouTube is now
Voila.
open.
It's easy. And if you type here research rocks, so please share, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks before leaving the video.
I'd be happy to help promote your channel, but I can't type, share, or subscribe on YouTube for you. You can add that message to the end of your video description or as a pinned comment.
So this is the simple introduction of Grok AI in your Tesla car. If you have any question related on Tesla car, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.